Hi friends, welcome to this program. Here I am going to make a small snake. You know snake? Yes, snake puppets. Snake puppets. How to make simple snake puppets through these materials. What are the materials? We can use this socks, two pieces of cardboards like this shape, and this gum, Fevibond. Okay. Yes. Let me start this program. Listen all of you, how to make simple snake puppets. You know, here a small bench. This bench, this closing side, cut like this. Okay, like this. Then open this side. This side, placed this paper . Yes, listen. After this paper, this chart paper, placed in this and paste it. Okay, like this. Here, paste all these sides. Okay. Then like this. Okay. These two eyes paste here with the help of this paste. Okay. Okay. Then like this. Okay. After use, cap it. This also. After use, cap it. Listen. How to manipulate these snake puppets. Another called as speaking or talking puppets. These four fingers are upper and one thumb finger is lower. Okay. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am going to eat you. Like this. Okay. Thank you watching this video. Thank you. Okay.